Hello guys, Muskan here from Radical TechArt Solution Private Limited, and today I'm going to talk about ultrasonic cleaner with higher capacity model. So please watch this video till the end. So the ultrasonic cleaner with higher capacity applications. So the ultrasonic cleaners, but for those not familiar, they work by sending high frequency sound waves through a liquid. These sound waves create microscopic bubbles which implode and agitate by any dirt or green. When you place your item inside the liquid, the bubbles sort of act like thousands of mini scrubbing brushes cleaning all its surfaces. So now let's talk about the model's technical specifications and its operation. So talking about the technical specifications of 9-liter capacity model, the model number is RDCL9, capacity is 9 liter. The ultrasonic frequency for this model is 40 kHz. Temperature range is 30 degrees centigrade to 65 degrees centigrade. Its timer range is 1 to 15 minutes. Tank dimension 300 by 240 by 150 mm. Overall dimension are 330 by 270 by 365 mm. Its heating power is 250 watt. Ultrasonic power is 250 watt. Input supply is AC 220 or 240 volt or 50 to 60 Hz frequency. Net weight is 8 kg. So these all are the technical specifications of this model, 9-liter capacity model. Now let's look on the ultrasonic cleaner, how it works. So guys, you can see here ultrasonic cleaner with 9-liter capacity. In this ultrasonic cleaner you have inbuilt heater as well as timer. Now I start the power, so you can see the working of this ultrasonic cleaner. So now I switch on the power and you can see here a timer as well as heater. I on this by pressing this button on and off. So the timer is on now. You can set here plus or minus for a minute. Now I set this timer for 5 minutes. Okay, and also I press the heater. Okay, so you can see here heater is also on. Now I put my aluminum foil inside this ultrasonic cleaner for cleaning purpose. You can see the results. So you can see the results here. So here you can see the dimension of this 9-liter ultrasonic cleaner. So you can clearly note these results, and this ultrasonic cleaner are very useful in many applications. And the applications are, it can be used in the fields of biochemistry, microbiology, pharmacology, physics, zoology, agriculture, medicine, food, electronics, hardware, jewelry store, glasses store, and chemical industry, and many more. And our compact sized ultrasonic cleaner are mostly suitable for those sectors where various other instruments are also placed in line. And also we are the manufacturer of this ultrasonic cleaner, so we can provide you ultrasonic cleaner with all sizes as per your requirements. So please contact us if you need any type of this requirement.